Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve Gujarat SET MCQ of 2009. Without any delay, let's get started. Question number 1 is asking, give a term for a set of norms commonly accepted, understood and internalized by a large number of people. Constitution, interaction, institution, aggregate. So the right answer of this question is institution. Institution is a concept which is understood and internalized by a large number of people. Example of institution like family, marriage, these are religion. Question number 2. Which one is not an essential feature of a community? Small size, residence, locality, heterogeneity. So the right answer is heterogeneity because community there is homogeneity. Heterogeneity concept of cities association. Question number 3. Give a term for standard of behavior, value, culture, structure, norms. Norms are standards of behavior. Question number 4. Which one of the following scholars did not consider material aspect in the definition of culture? William of Ogburn, Arnold Toynbee, Edward Tyler, M. Herskowitz. So in the definition of culture, material aspect who did not consider? William Ogburn, yes, he did consider material, non-material culture. Arnold Toynbee, yes, Arnold, Arnold Toynbee. So I'm confusing this question. I will let you know at the end of this paper. Question number 5 is asking, indicate the appropriate sociological concept representing progressive vertical mobility through achievement. Status set, status sequence, status dynamics, role consistency. So the right answer is status sequence because in through status sequence anybody would see the vertical mobility. For example, like a medical student, first he is enrolled in MBBS, then he go to as a trainee doctor, then he is become doctor. So these are the status sequence, and in this process he or she got vertical mobility. Question number 6. Give a term for a number of roles associated with a single status. Multiple roles, role set, role conflict, role performance. So the correct answer is role set. This concept is given by Merton. Not only role set, role conflict also by Merton. Multiple roles by Ralph Lilton. In multiple roles, oh, there are multiple roles. There are multiple roles. So it's not. In role set, the status is one. No, different status and their role. So that become role set. Question number 7. According to Parsons, which one of the following designates the ultimate source of social action in a society? Norms, custom, values, ritual. So the correct answer is norms. Question number 8. Primary groups are called primary because these groups are universal in character, formed with feelings, exert formative influence on personality, characterized by cooperation. So the right answer is formed with feelings. Exert a formative influence on personality characterized by cooperation is characteristics of secondary group. Question number 9. Which one of the following is not included in the category of primitive tribe in Gujarat? Kotwalia, Kathodi, Konkadi, Gholga. So Kathodi is the primitive group. So let's keep in the doubt. We'll see in the end. Question number 10. Which one of the following statement is true? Unpaid domestic labor. So question number 10. Which one of the following statement is true? Unpaid domestic labor is of enormous significance to an economy. Organized labor only is significant to an economy. Working industries alone is significant to an economy. Agriculture surplus is not so significant for urban economy. So which is true? So the correct answer is D. Question number 11. According to Randall Collins, microsociology has no foundation, macrosociology has micro foundation, macrosociology has no foundation, macrosociology has no foundation, macrosociology has foundation. So the correct answer is B. Question number 12. Indicate who has given the idea of middle range theory. Parsons, Durkheim, Johnson, Merton. So the correct answer is Merton. He has given the idea of middle range theory uh, in contrast or in argument of Parsons and Radcliffe Brown's theory. So he said that we should not be only uh, deterministic or only grand theories, focused on only grand theories, not only uh, particularistic or symbolic interactions. So we have to uh, take a mid part of middle range. So that's why it is called middle range theory. Question number 13. What is the basis of Dahrendorf's conflict theory? Property, authority, religious fundamentalism, ownership of the means of production. So the correct answer is authority. Question number 14. Marx as a theoretician in his approach was positivist, idealist, historical determinist, subjectivist. So the correct answer is historical determinist. Question number 15. According to Merton, latent functions are consequences that are unintended but recognized by the actor, intended but not recognized by the actor, unintended and unrecognized by the actor, intended and recognized by the actor. So correct answer is unintended and unrecognized by the actors. Question number 16. Education and backwardness are inversely related. State whether this statement is a theory, research problem, empirical study, hypothesis. This is education and backwardness are inversely related. So this is the theory. Question number 17. In quota sampling, the dominant feature is randomly selected respondent. Fixed number of respondents having certain specified characteristics. Select any person you want till a fixed number is achieved. Pick any criteria of choice to study the sample. So the right answer is fixed number of respondents having certain specified characteristics. For example, if we select the quota from age group 20 to 30 and male, and it should be from those particular areas. So these are the fixed certain specific area, and those people complete this who will go in that quota. Question number 18. The best technique which is cheap and efficient to collect data from a large number of literate people is interview, participant, observer, questionnaire, case study method. So the right answer is questionnaire method. Participant observation method used in community studies, and Bronislaw Malin has used this method. Interview method was used in American Soldier book. Uh, yeah, case study method was first used by Lepley. Question number 19. In which of the following studies was participant observation used heavily? Street corner society, the elementary forms of religious life, white collar crime, the power elite. So the right answer is street corner society. W.F. White has used participant observation method on the gangs in British. Question number 20. Which one of the following technique is not associated with qualitative research? Participant observation, oral history, unstructured interview, structured questionnaire. So the right answer is structured questionnaire. It is used in quantitative. All these three can be used in qualitative research. Which one of the following is not which one of the following book is not written by J.S. Kure? Caste and Race in India, Caste in Modern India, Caste, Class and Occupation, Caste and Class in India. Caste and Class in India. So 1, 2, 3. This book has written by J.S. Kure, and the right answer is Caste in Modern India. Question number 22. No society is classless or unstratified is a proposition made by Husserl and Rosenberg, Kurth and Mills, Lipset and Bendix, Davis and Moraes. So the correct answer Davis and Murray, because they have given the stratification theory. So they said that every society was stratified. Question number 23. Who made the following statement? All civilization pass through a similar cycle of birth, maturity, and death. The Western civilization now its decline, which is unavoidable. So the right answer is Oswald Spengler. His book name is The Decline of the West. Question number 24. The spread of the elements of outside culture among the tribal society is known as diffusion, innovation, progress, integration. The spread of the elements of outside culture among the tribal society is known as integration. Question number 25. The basic tenets of cyclic theory represent culture goes through a linear path. Culture is rooted to the path of birth, growth, and decline. Culture goes from simple to complex. Culture goes from homogeneity toward heterogeneity. Cyclic theory, cyclical theory is like culture goes through a linear path, growth, birth, and decline. So the correct answer is B. Measurement is concerned with numbers, concerned with scale, is transformation of data into categories, assigning a symbol to each item of information. So measurement is concerned with skills. Question number 27. The case study method emphasizes structural factors, general patterns, specific experience, generalized experience. So the right answer is specific. Case study method emphasizes specific experience. Question number 28. In sociological research, which one of the following considered as a respondent? Household, corporation, head of the household, village. Head of the household. Question option number C is the right one. Question number 29. Good and Hart, Pauline Young, Johota et al. Research method in social relations. C is equal to 1. Method in social studies, Good and Hart, is equal to 2. Pauline Young, scientific social experiments, method in social investigation. So option A is the correct answer. Question number 30. Which one of the following statements is correct? Pure research is devoid of any practical issue. Use. Applied research is independent of pure research. Pure research and applied research are interrelated. Applied research and pure research are not related. So the option C are correct as far as I know. If it, I will make correction if there is wrong in this question. Question number 31. In the election study, which one of the following is largely used? Attitudinal study, experimental study, opinion poll, census. So the right answer is opinion poll. Which one of the following is the source of reference group behavior elaborated by R.K. Martin? Street Corner Society, The American Soldier, Post-Industrial Society, Social Theory and Social Structure. So the correct answer is The American Soldier. Question number 33. In the year 1954, which act was passed? Hindu Marriage Act, Sarda Act, Special Marriage Act, Child Marriage Act. So the correct answer is Special Marriage Act. Hindu Marriage Act came in 1955. Sarda Act came in 1929. Child Marriage Restraint Act that is known as Sarda Act. Question number 34. The form of family where a father lives with his married sons and shares scenery, right is non-Tharawad, joint family, household, extended family. So the right answer is extended family, no, joint family. It's joint family, not extended family. Question number 35. In a capitalist economy, goods and services are produced with a concern for immediate requirement, profit, subsistence, common good. So the correct answer is for profit. Subsistence is the economy for agricultural economy. Question number 36. Match the following: Davis and Murray, Max Weber, Ralph Dahendra, Karl Marx. Study of proletariat, functional theory of stratification, study of class, status and party, study of class conflict in industrial society. Davis and Murray has written functional theory of stratification A equal to 2. Max Weber, study of proletariat B equal to 1. Max Weber, yeah. Davis and no, Karl Marx, study of proletariat D is equal to 1. Max Weber 3, study of class, status and party. Ralph Dahendra 4, study of class conflict in industrial society. So the right answer is A. Question number 37 is asking the social and cultural construction differences between males and females is called race, ethnicity, gender, sex. So the right answer is it's gender. Question number 38. In the market economy, there is a provision of fair price sought by the government. Government intervention is kept to a minimum. Government intervention is kept to a maximum. Commodity markets are only local in scope. So in the market economy, government intervention is kept to a minimum. 39. In social science research, the ability of measure to reproduce findings of an earlier study is known as validity, reliability, prediction, exploration. That is reliability. Question number 40. Which one of the following is the correct statement? Socialization is process which relates to learning during childhood. Learning of roles on occupying a given position in socialization. Socialization ends with attainment of adulthood. Socialization is a process of learning which is lifelong. So that D is the correct answer. Question number 41. What is not the form of resocialization? Relearning of values, learning of roles, vocational training, psychotherapy. So the right answer is vocational training is not resocialization. Question number 42. Which one of the following coexist in a mixed economy? Socialism and communism, feudalism and capitalism, community ownership and state ownership, private ownership and public ownership. So the correct answer is D. 43. What is involved during the process of experiment? Case study, controlling variables, theory, none of the above. So the correct answer is controlling variable. The process by which each unit of the population is given equal chance to be included in the sample is called purposive, random, stratified, accidental. So the correct answer is random. Purpose stratifies and random are simple and probability and non-probability, purposive and accidental non-probability sampling. Question number 45. From the below mentioned word, indicate the meaning of mean, middle point, mode, correlation, average. So the correct answer is average. Question number 46. The idea of network of social relationship was used in analysis of social structure by Robert Merton, Talcott Parsons, Levi-Strauss, S.F. Nadel. So the correct answer is S.F. Nadel. Question number 47. The scholar who studies structural principle of kinship is Malinowski, Merton, Durkheim, Radcliffe Brown. Who structural principle of kinship is studied by Radcliffe Brown. Question option D is correct. Question number 48. In the view of Levi-Strauss, what is the important in marriage? Exchange of sisters, exchange of things, monetary transactions, self-interest. So the correct answer is exchange of sisters. Question number 49. The term life chances used by Max Weber refers to the number of years an individual can expect to live at birth, the chances of survival in a game, the opportunity of a person has become his class situation, the style of life a person leads. The opportunities of a person has because of his class situation. the style of so this is related to class. Here the style of life a person leads. I think the question option C would be the correct answer. Question number 50. Protestantism according to Max Weber gave rise to capitalism, spirit of capitalism, mercantile capitalism, industrial capitalism. So the correct answer is spirit of capitalism. So we have solved 50 questions of this paper. Thank you so much for watching.